Have you ever felt your heart race out of nowhere? Your chest tighten? Your thoughts spiral? That, my friend, is what a panic attack can feel like. It feels anything but logical. I want to explain panic attacks. What's happening in your mind, what's happening in your body, and how to respond with kindness to yourself and to others. Let's bust a myth. Panic attacks are not a sign of weakness. You can't just snap out of it. When a panic attack hits, your body's alarm system goes haywire. Your brain shouts, danger. You feel trapped in a storm of fear, sweating, trembling, gasping for air. It's terrifying, but it isn't dangerous. The feelings are intense, but they will pass. Most attacks peak within 10 minutes. In the moment, it can feel like forever. What should you do if you, or someone you care about, is having a panic attack? Slow things down. Remind yourself, this is uncomfortable but not life-threatening. Try grounding. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear. Focus on your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale gently. Remind yourself, I am safe, this will pass. If you're supporting someone, avoid just calm down, avoid it's all in your head. Offer reassurance instead. Say, I'm here with you. Say, you're going to be okay. Remember, panic attacks are tough, but you are tougher. You're not alone.